Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I'm in my cozy little zip-up hoodie. This is like my daily wear right here. I love this thing. Anyway, I really wanted to come this morning and let you guys look at my face. I woke up and it is extra. And this is even after I've done so much stuff to it to calm it down. My eyelids were so poofy this morning, and I'm not sure if it was just putting on different makeup looks so many times in the last 4 days, or if it was the new eyelash glue that I got. I'm not certain, but my eyes were freaking out. And so now I've done every drop I have, cleaned them, done my skincare routine. I did, and I used saline to flush out my sinuses through my nose, and so I'm hoping that that's going to help this eye to stop watering. Feels like it already has. God, wouldn't that be funny if that was the trick the whole time? Just flushing my sinuses before I start? Anyway, so I tried that Revlon foundation and the Revlon primer. Hated it. I didn't even like it by the time I got done with the tutorial. It was horrible. So I took that back and I was like, you guys, I cannot do this. What do you recommend? And the girl that was there said she uses the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye foundation, and she goes back and forth between the Bye Bye and the CC, but I think that I want to try this. I really want something that's not going to fall into all my creases and make me look older than I already do. I like to have a little bit of not dewy, but not matte complexion, so maybe kind of somewhere in between. Just something that looks very healthy, glowy, nice. I live by the ocean, so I like to just kind of look beachy, nice, natural, beautiful. So today, since my face was kind of freaking out when I woke up this morning, I've decided that I'm not going to do a crazy look on my eyes today. I'm just going to try to show you a very nice, dewy, beachy, everyday, nice, natural daytime look. So let's go check it out. It's time. So, put it on you. Okay, let's get started. Oh, here, this eye is already getting started right here. Let's tap it off. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get this Bye Bye foundation going. Oh, did we use a primer yet? No, we didn't. Okay, first prime. Master Prime. Maybelline. Just think of this as like everywhere you would put sunscreen. Because pretty much that's what it is. Okay, now I'm going to take my Morphe M444 brush and start blending it in. staying on. Good in there. Oh, I just can't find a foundation I like. I'm having the hardest time with that. Is it because I'm getting older? Like, what's the problem? I don't understand. This is not staying on my nose at all. You see? It doesn't really look like it did anything.
Perfect. Perfect.
What is that? I don't understand. I don't like it. I don't think I like it. What do you guys think? Is it doing anything? Oh man, I don't think I like it. It's too watery or something. Alright, well, we're gonna try it today. I'll do a check-in later and let's see how it holds up, but I'm not hugely feeling it right now. I didn't like the way that Bye Bye foundation was going on my nose, and I still not loving the way this looks, but now I put the L'Oreal Pro Glow Infallible on. This has really been working the best out of all of them that I've been trying. So now I'm going to do a little bit of concealer. I'm not going to go crazy because I don't want to give my eyes any more reason to get irritated. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend it. So that was just a little too dewy for me. So far I was just not getting enough coverage, especially on my nose, and I hate that because it rubs off. So I did go in and I'm just going to do a very light dusting of my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade C 3.5. And that just gave me a nice, beautiful, sort of flawless skin look. So I like that. It looks pretty good. I'm still not a huge fan of what this nose is doing. But let's see. Let's just see how it goes. So next I'm going to use this butter bronzer by Physicians Formula. And this is gonna be most of what I do today. I'm not gonna do my usual bunch of contouring stuff like that. I'm gonna just sort of use this as my contour for today, just sort of a natural, nice look. That's great. And I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit of that on my eyelids as well. And I'm going to throw on some eyebrows.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
For today's brow, I'm just going to use this brow pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Next mascara. I'm going to use this Falsies waterproof mascara from Maybelline in Very Black. Last, I'm just going to put on this Sexy Mother Pucker lip gloss because Sir Harrison has joined me again. So I guess we're done for today.
Done for what?
Done putting on makeup. Is it time to go play? Is it time to go play?
I wanna go. I wanna go. I wanna go.
So that's it for today, guys. Got my lip gloss on, a little bit bronzed, some mascara. Skin looks pretty fresh, especially after how I woke up.
Perfect.
So I feel like I can leave the house like this. It looks pretty good. Thanks for watching, guys. Join me next week. Hopefully this stuff goes better next week and I can get some cool shadows and stuff going on and we can start talking about some really cool stuff. Okay, so thanks again for joining me. Have a great day. Don't forget to drink your coffee. Be amazing. Make it a great day.